during the halftime break. First of all, I introduce yourself to the people.
Gregory.
Alright, Gregory. How you feeling about the performance so far?
We start out a bit slow, but fight back and get a penalty. So feel like if we try a little bit harder in the midfield, we can do something in the second half.
When you saw the starting lineup, what was going to your mind?
I was a little surprised that Hayden didn't start, but everything else seemed okay.
Do you think a 1-0 scoreline is an accurate representation of how we've been playing so far?
Well, as a Jamaican, I'm going to say no because we got a penalty and we didn't score. But otherwise, from that, yeah, I guess you could say it's fair.
If your name was Steve McLaren, what change would you make at halftime to turn this game around?
Hayden and probably later on Maggie come on if we don't get an early goal.
Do you think we'll be
We're going to score at least 2.
Alright, boss.